You got it, gang. You know it, you love it. Geprc Skip HD. I love flying this thing. Done a couple of mods of this. I'm just going to have a scoot around. This thing needs no intros whatsoever. I've got the Rust Lollipop on top. Aftermarket props. Onboard VTX. Love it. HD recording. 463S on the butt there. Check out my last videos. I've done loads of reviews of this thing and it is still one of my favourites. Thanks for stopping by. I'm just going to crack straight on in. A quick line of sight, guys. If you think this thing looks fast, well, it's because it is. It's damn fast. Let's pump the brakes. Great to fly. I think you'll find it's going to be super nimble, so I'm just going to go straight out and do a punch out straight away. Like I said, fairly nimble indeed. I love flying this thing, guys. He's a ripper. It's possible, if it's not windy, to do some smooth, steady flying. However, certainly not as easy as something like the Taycan, etc. And we don't want to do that. Kicking goals. There's some white fibre building on there. And there's some power lines there, so we will stay away from there. Might see if I've got enough battery power to do a scoreboard landing. Oh, it's windy down there. Yoink. See if we can do a scoreboard landing, guys. Ah, lovely. Let's see if we can do a scoreboard takeoff now. The scoreboard landing didn't quite go to plan. Well, I landed it, but for some reason I can't arm it again, so I have to go for a walk. Oh, nothing like FPV complications. Anyway, we are off again. Not too much battery left. Let's have a bit of a scoot around and enjoy flight. Okay, bring it on home. That's a good sign. Lots of fun, lots of fun. Let's do that hand landing I was talking about. That's better. Geprc, Sky Pilot. Catch you next time. Ciao, ciao.